Artificial intelligence, AI, is a rapidly growing field that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. However, as with any technology, it is important to consider its potential risks and drawbacks. One such risk is the potential for AI to perpetuate discrimination. In this video, we will explore 5 ways in which AI can reinforce existing biases and inequalities, and what we can do to mitigate these risks. Data bias. One of the main ways in which AI can perpetuate discrimination is through data bias. AI algorithms rely on data to learn and make predictions, but if that data is biased in any way, the algorithm will also be biased. For example, if a facial recognition algorithm is trained on a dataset that is predominantly made up of white faces, it may struggle to accurately identify people with darker skin tones. This can have serious consequences, such as leading to false arrests or denying people access to services they are entitled to. Algorithmic bias. In addition to data bias, AI can also perpetuate discrimination through algorithmic bias. This occurs when the algorithm itself is designed in a way that leads to discriminatory outcomes. For example, if an AI-powered hiring tool is trained on data that reflects historical hiring patterns that are biased against women or people of color, it may end up perpetuating those biases. This can lead to a self-reinforcing cycle of discrimination that is difficult to break. Lack of transparency. Another challenge with AI is the lack of transparency in how decisions are made. Because many AI algorithms are complex and opaque, it can be difficult to understand how they arrived at a particular decision. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to identify and correct instances of discrimination. Additionally, it can erode trust in the technology and those who use it. Amplification of human biases. AI can also amplify existing human biases, rather than mitigate them. For example, if a hiring tool is designed to identify cultural fit, it may end up replicating the same biases that already exist within the organization. Similarly, if an algorithm is used to identify high-risk individuals for a loan, it may end up disproportionately targeting people from historically marginalized communities, even if they are just as creditworthy as other applicants. Lack of diversity in AI development. Finally, a key challenge with AI is the lack of diversity in the development of the technology. When AI is developed primarily by white men, it is more likely to reflect their biases and worldviews. This can perpetuate discrimination and further marginalize already underrepresented groups. It is important to ensure that AI development is diverse and inclusive, so that the technology is better able to serve the needs of all people. Conclusion. AI has the potential to transform our world in countless positive ways, but we must be aware of its potential risks and drawbacks. One such risk is the potential for AI to perpetuate discrimination. By addressing issues such as data bias, algorithmic bias, lack of transparency, amplification of human biases, and lack of diversity in AI development, we can work to mitigate these risks and ensure that AI is used in a way that is fair and equitable for all.